A very good morning, dear children. Children, today is Saturday, and on Saturday we do some activity. So today we are going to do some craft activity. Children, you know always your parents buy toys for you. But today I will make you learn how to make your own toys. Children, today we will make two paper toys. Okay? Let's start. So children, we need few things for this activity. First, colorful papers like this. Paper scissors. Children, use kids paper scissors or your parents can help you out in cutting. And few different size of lid of any jar. Fevistick, bold marker and googly eyes or paper eyes. If you do not have googly eyes, so no need to go to market to buy this. You can arrange all the things from your home. You can make these eyes with the papers at the place of googly eyes. Okay? Shall we start the activity? Okay. Children, I am taking blue color paper here. Now children, I am keeping a big lid of a jar here. Now, I am drawing a circle here with the help of this lid or cap. Okay? Now another circle I am going to make with this small lid or cap. Now another circle I am going to make it here. One more circle I am going to make it here like this. Now children, cut these circles or you can ask from your parents to cut it. See children, I have prepared these circles with the help of caps of different jars. And children, with these circles, we will make two toys. Okay? We are going to make a bird. Take two circles. Just fold it like this. Now see, fold it like this. Take your kid scissor and start cutting. Children, see properly, and as I am cutting, you have to cut like this. Keep small cuts. Only from one side you have to cut like this, okay? Not from the other side. Now keep it aside. Take another circle and cut it just like that, as I have cut earlier. So turn it little bit from here. So keep it aside. Draw two lines like this and cut the paper. See children, I have cut this paper in a rectangle shape like this. Now fold it and cut it half like this in strips like this. Okay. Now open it and turn it opposite side like this. Fine. Take another small circle. See children, I have prepared two small circles for eyes. Now I am going to make outline on these small circle with the black bold marker. See, take this small circle and stick these eyes on the both sides of this yellow circle like this. Okay. See children, I am using this bit of paper for making the beak like this. I have cut it in a triangle shape. Children, I am going to stick this beak on this yellow circle
And the other side of the circle we have to stick to.
Like this. Fine. See? Now children, take these circles, stick this face here upside. Fine. Then tail here. Apply some glue here. Stick another circle on it. And with the help of crayon, you can
Make a half circle.
like this and color it.
Other side of the bird you have to color in the same way.
Now I am going to make an outline here. Our bird is ready. See? Now children, we are going to make another toy. I have taken this blue circle. Now fold it
Like this.
I have folded it. Now I am taking another circle. I have taken another pink color circle. Now I am going to apply some
Glue on it.
Now I am going to stick it on the side of this half circle. So it will look like this. From the both sides, if you will open, it will look like this. Okay?
Now cut 2 paper strips.
Okay. Now I will take my paper eyes which I have prepared earlier.
Apply some glue.
On the tip of these stripe, I am going to stick these eyes like this. See? Now one side I will stick it here and the other side I am going to stick it here. Now I will make few rings here with the help of bold marker. You can use your crayons. And on the other side we will also make this ring. Fine. See, our snail is ready. See children, today we have prepared 2 paper toys, and in the same way you will prepare these toys at home with the help of your parents.
I hope you will enjoy to make your own toys.
And on the next Saturday we'll do some other activity. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.